Receiving and sitting guest. Today's guest is Mr. Nichols.
Okay.
Today's guest is Mr. Nichols, receiving and sitting the guest. 1, 2, 3. Let's check the waiter, Fred,
Okay.
receiving and seating the guest. Ready?
Alright.
Seating guests. Part 1. Text and dialogues. Fred greeted the people at the reception desk and asked if they had a reservation.
Good evening. Welcome to Chez Max. Do you have a reservation, sir? Yes, the name's Nichols.
He checked the reservation record and confirmed the details with the guest.
Ah, yes, Mr. Nichols. A table for 4 in smoking? Yes, that's right.
Fred showed Mr. Nichols and his party to table 14, which was reserved for them.
I'll show you to your table, sir. This way, please.
He asked if they were satisfied with the table.
Will this be all right, Mr. Nichols? Yes, this is fine, thank you.
Fred pulled out the chair of the lady guest closest to him
Allow me, madam.
and slowly pushed the chair back into position as the guest was seating herself. Standing to the right of the guest, Fred picked up the napkin,
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah.
folded it into a triangular shape, and placed it on the guest's lap.
Excuse me, madam.
He told the guests that a waiter would attend to them soon.
Your waiter will be with you shortly. I hope you have a good dinner.
He then returned to the reservation desk.
Okay, this guest, Mr. Nichols, had a reservation for 4 people.
Okay.
Oh yes, for 4 in smoking. Okay, now you. Repeat.
Good evening. Welcome to choose. You have a reservation, sir?
Excellent. Repeat.
Good evening. Welcome to Choose Max. Do you have a reservation, sir?
That's right. Good.
Yes. The name is Nichols.
You see, he said, reservation? Yes. Name? Nichols. Okay. Now you check. Check what?
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Check the reservations.
Yeah.
Repeat.
Oh, yes. Mr. Nichols, a table for 4 in smoking.
Say correct. Repeat. Table for 4 in smoking, correct?
Table for 4 in smoking, correct?
Good. Yes, that's right. Okay. It's Mr. Nichols, table for 4. Check the table. What's next?
Okay. I show you to your table, sir, this way, please.
That's right. Repeat. I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
Or I'll.
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 Good. Repeat. I will
I will.
show you
I will show you
to your table.
to your table.
Good. This way, please.
This way, please.
I will show you.
I will show you.
O en vez de decir I will, puedes decir I'll.
I'll show you
Ajá.
to your table.
Escondemos la W y la I y se dejan las dos L's.
Okay.
I'll, y esas L's en inglés suenan como una O.
Okay. I'll.
Y ahora sigue el verbo demostrar. Show.
Show.
¿A quién? A usted. You. I'll show you. ¿A dónde? El camino to your table.
Okay.
Repeat.
I'll show you. I'll show you to your table.
That's right. Ahora, para que te empiecen a caminar, les dices, this way.
This way.
Ajá. This way. Repeat.
This way.
This way, please.
This way, please.
Okay, now, the table.
Okay.
Will this be all right? Repeat.
Will this be alright?
Or we can say, okay. Will this be okay?
Will this be okay?
Will this be all right?
Will this be alright?
Excellent. Now, para mover las cosas, the chair and the napkins, allow me.
Allow me.
Ma'am, sir. Excuse me.
Allow me. Ma'am, sir.
Excuse me. Ma'am, sir.
Okay.
Good. Allow me or excuse me. All right. Now, excuse me. If it's not your table, your waiter will be with you shortly. Repeat, shortly.
Shortly.
Shortly. Repeat, shortly.
Shortly.
Repeat, your waiter will be with you shortly.
Your waiter will be with you shortly.
Excellent. All right. Now, next, people.
Okay. A table for two is smoking.
Repeat.
A table for two is smoking. Please, we don't have a reservation.
We don't have a reservation. Ya dijo. Easy.
Yeah.
Ok, entonces we check. A ver si no están llenas.
Okay.
¿Cómo le decimos?
Yes, we have a table for you, madam.
Correct. Repeat.
Yes, we have a table for you, ma'am.
Excellent. En los restaurantes, cuando hace frío, en las ciudades donde hace frío, les agarras los abrigos pesados.
Okay.
Repeat.
Can I take your cost?
Ok, los tuyos a veces no tienen abrigos casi, pero tienen las bolsas. Entonces ahí va la bolsa.
Can I take your bag?
Correct. Okay, now the most important one, really important. Cuando no está lista la mesa, porque la están limpiando, mira.
Okay.
Esta es la frase que necesitas. Repeat.
Would you mind waiting a few minutes? We'll get the table ready for you now.
Excellent. Dos partes. Primero le pides permiso de que se espere y luego le avisas que ya estamos trabajando, preparando la mesa. Repeat.
Would you mind waiting a few minutes? We'll get the table ready for you now.
Excellent. Ok. Ahora vamos a practicar como que tú le vas a decir al cliente las frases. Good?
Okay.
Aquí ya tengo las frases y si quieres hasta tengo otra frase que te puede servir para hacer lo mismo. Tengo otra opción. Ya vimos una, cómo lo hizo Fred. Ahora vamos a ver otra opción. Ok, ready?
Right.
Vamos entonces. More expressions. More expressions.
Okay.
Se va desde el primer paso hasta el último.
Okay.
Entonces las primeras, ¿para qué crees que sea la primera? Repeat.
Have you got a reservation, sir?
Good. Again, repeat.
Have you got a reservation, sir?
That's right. Have you got a reservation? Have you got a reservation, ma'am, sir?
Have you got a reservation, sir, ma'am?
That's right. Repeat. Have you?
Have you?
Have you got
Have you got?
a reservation, sir?
Have you got a reservation, sir?
¿Y cómo lo hizo Fred? En lo que revisamos. ¿Cómo le hizo Fred?
Fred is
¿No pusiste cómo dijo Fred? Así tienes que decir tú también. ¿Cómo vas a decir tú entonces?
You have.
Oh, ¿ves? Tú no lo sabes decir correcto.
Do you have?
Necesitas el auxiliar. Necesitas el auxiliar. El auxiliar para preguntas de verbos. Este es el verbo have.
¿Es la manera correcta?
Yeah, no les puedes hablar así a tus clientes.
No es el you have. Do you have?
Ni siquiera le hacen así ni en McDonald's.
Okay. Do you have a reservation?
Necesitas el auxiliar.
Okay.
Ok. Repeat.
Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation, sir?
Good. Ok. Ahora vamos a ver la segunda opción. También le podemos decir number one.
Have you got a reservation?
That's right. More expressions, more options. Number two, what is the situation? Let me show you to your table. And could you follow me, please? Could you follow me, please? Let me show you to your table. Repeat.
Let me show you to your table. Could you follow me, please?
Good. What's the situation for these two?
Yes, follow me.
Good. Good, excellent. Repeat.
Let me show you to your table. Could you follow me, please?
Very nice. All right, next situation. We got right here, let me help you, ma'am.
Let me help you, ma'am.
Let me help you.
Let me help you, ma'am.
All right. Repeat, let me help you, ma'am.
Let me help you, ma'am.
Could you follow me, please?
Could you follow me, please?
Let me show you to your table.
Let me show you to your table.
Have you got a reservation, sir?
Have you got a reservation, sir?